English short stories, where the road refused to be straight. The road began to twist and turn as we drove up the mountain, folding back on itself like a secret reluctant to be revealed. At first, I welcomed the change. After hours of dull highway, the sharp curves and sudden climbs felt almost theatrical. The late afternoon light filtered through the trees and fractured beams, casting restless shadows across the windshield. Beside me, Clara gripped the door handle more tightly with each bend, her silence growing heavier than any conversation we might have had. We had not planned this trip carefully. Perhaps that was its quiet danger. What started as an impulsive escape from the city had become something more ambiguous, something neither of us wanted to define. The higher we climbed, the narrower the road became, as if the mountain itself were testing our resolve. I noticed how Clara avoided looking at me, choosing instead to fix her gaze on the distant horizon, where the sky blurred into a pale, uncertain blue. It occurred to me that the journey was no longer about reaching the summit, but about confronting what we had both been avoiding. A sudden fog rolled in, thick and disorienting, swallowing the landscape in a matter of minutes. The road, once merely winding, now felt treacherous, each turn a leap of faith into the unknown. I slowed the car, my hand steady but my thoughts anything but. "Maybe we should turn back," Clara finally said, her voice low but firm. Yet there was something in her tone that suggested she didn't mean the road behind us, but something far more personal. I kept driving. Not because I was certain of where we were going, but because stopping seemed like a greater risk. Eventually, the fog began to thin, revealing a breathtaking view of the valley below, bathed in the soft glow of evening. Clara exhaled, a long-held breath finally released, and for the first time since we had started the ascent, she looked at me. In that quiet moment, I realized the mountain had offered us no clear answers. Only the courage to keep moving forward, even when the path refused to be straight.